Hello my lovely kids, welcome back to the new video. Now in this video I am going to tell you the commands in Logo. Now first of all I will tell you what are primitives. The commands in Logo are called primitives. They give instruction to the turtle to draw on the screen. You can enter the primitives in the command input box and then press enter key or click on execute. The primitives appear in the recall list. Logo is one of the programming language. Now what is program? A set of primitives given to carry out a task is called a program. I hope now program and primitives are clear. Some commands in Logo are forward, backward, home, hide, right, left. These are Logo commands. There are more Logo commands. I will explain you in my new video. Now first is forward command. Forward or FD primitive tells the turtle to move forward, that is in the direction in which it is pointing. Now follow these steps. Type forward or FD in command input box. Press the space bar. Type the number of turtle steps you want to move, suppose 100. So type 100. Now press enter or click on execute. The turtle will move 100 steps forward and draw a line. Next is back command. The back or BK primitive makes the turtle go back, that is in the opposite direction to which it is pointing. For that you have to type back or BK in command input box, then press spacebar and type the number, example 100, and then press enter or click execute. The turtle will move 100 steps back with its head pointed up. Now next is left. The left or LT primitive turns the turtle heads to the left, that is in the anti-clock direction. You have to type left or LT in the command input box. Press the spacebar, type in the number of degrees, that is 90. Press enter or execute. The turtle will now turn to left. Right command. Right or RT primitive turns the turtle heads to the right, that is in the clockwise direction. For that you have to type right or RT in command input box, then press spacebar, type in the number of degree, example 90, press enter or click on execute. The turtle will now pointing to the right. Now home. Home command will bring the turtle in the center of the main screen. So you have to type home in the command input box and press enter or click on execute. The turtle will come back to the home position. Now how to close Logo. For closing Logo you have to click on file. In the drop down menu click on exit. Or you can type by in the command input box and press enter or click on execute. I hope this much is clear. Okay, now in next video I will continue with the Logo chapter. Till then, bye bye and take care.